All right, we have a trade recap again. I have been taking a lot of trades. I mean, oh shit. Well, this is what the account's looking like right now. I had a winning day today. I'll get over into basically what happened in the market. All right, so again, these past this week so far, right? These past 2 days, I've been bullish all week, and as you can see, it's playing out pretty nicely. Okay, the reason that I've been bullish is because when you zoom out and you go to the 4 hour time frame, you will see that we actually have a daily bullish SMT, and it's a pretty big SMT here as well. Okay, so I've been daily for these past two. I've been bullish for these past 2 days. Oh my god, I've been bullish for the past 2 days. So yeah, it's playing out pretty nicely so far because of this extremely big SMT here, and you can see on yes, right. This is just the SMT that I'm talking about, right? Anyways, you zoom into the 1 hour time frame, you can see that coming into market open, we were respecting this 4 hour. So we're respecting, keep this in mind, we're respecting bullish PD raise. And this candle closed at 10 a.m. and this showed us that we were then disrespecting bearish PD raise on the 4 hour time frame while delivering from sell side with a big SMT. So this is beautiful, very, very clear bias. Right? Same thing on NQ. So drawn liquidity was this high for the day. And I obviously you can't get married to your bias. I saw that price. We have London lows here. Could potentially start drawing there. I would have taken a trade there maybe if it presented itself, but that's not what the market presented itself today, right? NQ came up, and I think this happened around like 10 a.m. It came up, just ran through the highs, and then ES right didn't reach these highs until PM session, and I'll go into the trade I took was during PM session because I did not see anything during AM. Okay, so obviously we're respecting bullish PD raise, disrespecting bearish PD raise. We have a bigger time from SMT, so I'm very bullish on the day. Honestly, we probably will see lower, just what I'm talking about like right now. But so yeah, I came into the day, and what I saw was that it's almost 15 minute. I think we had some pre-market manipulation right here, off of these lows, and I think NQ did the same, just off of these lows. Where was it? I don't know, like this. So there was some manipulation going on, which was cool, but it was pre-market, and like I don't really want to trade before market open. And what happened is we got that manipulation, and then immediately after, you can see we manipulated these lows. Where's this? So yeah, ES did the same thing as well. And then if you go to the 5 minute, this is yesterday. So you will see that we had a 5 minute imbalance that we inversed. There wasn't here. It was this. This is the bigger one. So we ran through that. I wasn't going to take it because that was at 9:25 a.m. Or no, that was before the manipulation. All right, this is a little confusing. Okay, so this is the manipulation, and then we ran back through the imbalance. I think NQ is a little bit cleaner of an inversion, right? Because it was after we swept and manipulated. So that was the 5 minute inverse, but I didn't want to take it. It was too, I guess, too early into market open, and I wasn't really interested in it. And then it just shot up, never gave an entry, right? I saw, okay, oh my, it's drawing to these highs, obviously. We had news at 10 a.m. And I saw this imbalance. I was thinking of taking this off of this candle. I was considering taking it right here. Stops it a bit here and then take profit just right up here. I was thinking of taking this. The reason I didn't is because I need to see manipulation, right? Especially right now is because this, this is pre-market manipulation, right? But I needed to see some manipulation, right? Because we already swept out these highs. This is Asia highs, so I wasn't Asia highs, but we already swept out highs. I wanted to see, more manipulation, and I think there was also. Yeah, there was a 5 minute right here, a 5 minute imbalance that I wanted to see get tapped into. It would have also gave me a good sweep, but it did not do that, and I was going to be patient. I did not take it. I was very patient, waiting for the 5 minute to get tapped. Even though the 1 minute was presenting itself, I needed more. And Ethan, when you're watching back on this, that was amazing. Like, good job. You were very, very patient. You wanted to wait for some more confirmation, which is good. And so yeah, just ran up and put in a bearish SMT because ES did not take the highs. Later on in PM session, okay, I hopped off until 1 p.m. or it was like 12:40, and at around 12:40, this is getting into PM session here. If you go to the hourly time frame, my neck's hurting. You will see that we have this 1 hour imbalance that we were filling, and we were also drawing very close towards the previous day highs, which was my overall drawn liquidity. And we were drawing very close. We got very close, right? And then that's telling me, okay, does look like prices eventually want to come to previous day highs, okay? And then exactly what I wanted to see happened, right? We came down and we manipulated into the 1 hour fair value gap, right? We manipulated, and then from there, did I take it on yes or Q? I took it on yes. So yeah, we manipulated into this 1 hour imbalance, right? Aligned with this internal manipulation leg, and I'm like, all right, bet this is looking very nice. But then we had this 3-minute inversion to the upside, and I took it off of that, right? I think it was at 12:42 p.m. Stops right below this low, and then take profit simply at the previous day highs. And then as you can see, played out pretty nicely. It took a solid amount of time, 2 hours or whatever. I wasn't sitting on my. Obviously, I was at school. I took the trade, went to class, and played out. And I didn't really have to sit. I wasn't like being like emotionally drained or anything while waiting 2 hours for this trade to play out. But yeah, it was chill, man. I just looked back on my phone and saw it when I'm like, all right, bet. And this is literally like a perfect setup. So Ethan, when you're looking back on this, like you did good today. PM session, it's not bad. Like this isn't a representation of what PM session is always like. I'm saying like, if you can find a setup as beautiful as this during PM session, you can take it. It's not the end of the world unless you've already taken like 2 trades on the day. If you've already taken 2 trades on the day, you're done. But if you haven't traded and you see this during PM session, and 12:40 is pretty freaking close to PM session, so it's fine. You can take it, man. It's a great trade. Like this is literally so obvious and so clear of a setup. So that is why I took this trade, right? We had this internal manipulation sweeping out 15-minute lows, tapped into a 1 hour imbalance, got displacement inverse to 3-minute, took it on that, and then that's just how it played out. I moved my stops to break even once we displaced on the 5-minute past like this high. Yeah, right here, and it got pretty close, but the reason I was confident in my break even is because there was a 5-minute protecting my break even. So if we just ran through this 5-minute, I would have gotten stopped out anyway. So that was the point of the break even. But as you can see, the 5-minute holded bullish, and it just ran up to take profit. So, great day in the markets. I'm up around 600 on the day. I can show you guys here, just in case you guys don't believe me. It's just right up 600 right here. I'll show you guys if I can executions. Is it even possible to show executions? I don't know where I'm supposed to. If you guys, dude, where? Not here. No. All right, whatever. Regardless, I don't really care if you guys believe me or not. But yeah, that was the trade. So other than that, my psychology's been getting a lot better, and I'm going to continue to remain patient and disciplined. Like today, I was very patient, right? Because before we had this potential, it was on NQ, but there was a potential trade set up with a 1 minute, right? But I did not take it because I wasn't confident. And I needed to see more structure, which the 5-minute gets have to do, which it did not do. I didn't force anything. I was patient. So, good job, Ethan. Good job today. Psychology is getting a lot better. I've been really, really, really focusing on that. Just improving my psychology because I know how to read the markets really well. I hope you guys can understand, I hope you guys see that I'm just, able to read the markets, but it's like some psychological stuff. So, that's what it always is. So, really been focusing on just tightening my psychology. Like today, I journaled a lot before school, and I was just journaling like, you know exactly what you need to do. You do not, you're not allowed to take, whatever amount of trades. Like you have to just only take the quality setup if there is one. All I'm doing is coming into the market. I'm observing price. I'm not looking for a trade. And if the market presents itself with a high quality setup, within the right timing, you can take it, and you risk around 400 no matter what. So that's what I did. And my trading hours or rules, whatever, it's pretty open. It's just 9:30 a.m. obviously to like 11:15 around, and then maybe 1 p.m. to 3. If I don't really trade AM, or I couldn't trade AM session because of school. So yeah, I've been really really dialed with my psychology, but it's been draining. I mean, I'm tired, mostly just from school. I'm really tired, so I'm sorry I can't be like enthusiastic or whatever. But that's just all I really want to talk about. Really just dialed, just focused. Really trying to step away from the money, not focus on it at all, and just try to focus on coming into the day and observing, and that's it. Just you literally just come into the trading day and you just watch, and you're like, all right, cool. You sit back, relax, you watch these lines move up and down. If the market screams at you to enter into a trade and you see, you're like, oh shit, this is low-key obvious as hell. We're inversing a 5-minute, we have London highs and lows. I'm gonna look for an entry, and then you take it because it sets up. Otherwise, if you're questioning yourself, or if there's a second voice in your head saying like a little bit doubting this trade, you don't fucking take it. You have to trust yourself. If you've back tested, you should be able to trust yourself and trust that voice saying like it's not that good of a trade. Like it's that voice that's kind of making you less confident. Like if like the good trades are always going to be the ones that you are confident in. So I was confident in this and I took it. That's why the outcome was good, and that's why I was okay with, even if it lost. That's why I would have been okay with it. So other than that, let me just get rid of this stuff. Is there anything else I want to talk about? Here's cooked, but yeah, I mean, other than that, that was the trade recap. I'm gonna go hit the gym. I'm very tired. A long day of school and everything. Had a couple tests, but regardless, I'm gonna do my best to continue on posting these videos. So, yeah, man, if you guys are watching this, just a little tip, like, you got to really trust yourself. You really got to trust your intuition here, and just understand, like, if you're not confident, you don't take it. And if you're confident, you take it. It's that simple, really. Like, and then obviously you need to back test and find a model. And then when it comes down to executions, if you're hesitant, you don't take it. If you're confident, you take it. And then you have to set a little bit of rules, but besides that, that's all it is. You got to step away from the money aspect. Really, just try to dial in on being an observer, and that's it. Because when you can do that, the money flows to you. And it actually forces you to become a better person outside of trading as well. If you can, really focus on, I don't even know what I'm trying to say here, but moral of the story is trading makes you a better person. So other than that, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.